Well, suicide does not discriminate, and it can happen to anyone. September is Suicide Awareness Month.
Now the goal is to bring awareness to the signs of suicide and help prevent it from happening. 41 NBC's Amber Lake has more. Amber.
There's a way you can fight suicide. The American Foundation for Suicide Prevention make it their goal to educate, help, and raise awareness of suicide.
It is a really big issue. It's a leading preventable cause of death, and in Georgia we lose someone to suicide once every 6 hours.
Taylor Chambers works with the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention. She, along with others, are helping raise awareness. This weekend there is an Out of the Darkness community walk at Tatnall Square Park in Macon.
We're just bringing people together, a community of survivors, a community of people with lived experience, a community of people who just support the cause in general.
Chambers says the walks raise millions for suicide prevention efforts.
Really, we see somebody that's suicidal. Many times we see a lot of people that are, you might see, in one shift we might see 4 or 5.
Dr. Stephen No is an ER physician who offers advice for those who are suicidal.
If they're suicidal, they should get help. Family members should talk to them about their feelings and what could be causing it, if there's a situational cause. Many times it's endogenous, meaning it's a chemical imbalance in their brain just making them depressed.
Sometimes people think there is no other option.
They feel their only way out is to take their own life.
Dr. No and Taylor Chambers say there are ways the community can help.
I mean, it sounds simple, but it's really just about talking to people about mental health, about suicide, asking people directly, and then learning the risk factors and warning signs.
The Out of the Darkness walk is Saturday at Tatnall Square Park in Macon from 8:30 to 10:30 a.m. Last year, a total of $12,000 was raised locally for suicide prevention.
And there is also a 24-hour suicide hotline available for anyone who needs it. That number is right there at the bottom of your screen, 1-800-272-8255.